Hello, all dear students. We welcome you all on BYJU'S Exam Prep Civil Mechanical YouTube channel. In this session, guys, I, Abhinav Negi, and Dheeraj sir will be telling about a press release, or you can say a notification that has been released by the HPCL on their official website about the pattern, about the negative marking, and about the selection process with individual cutoff for individual steps, like what will be the individual cutoff for the technical exam, what will be the individual cutoff for the group task, what will be the individual cutoff for interview, what will be the cutoff of overall written test, including technical plus aptitude, plus a new thing that has been never done by HPCL, that is negative marking. That everything will be going to discuss here. And already, guys, Dheeraj sir has told you about the syllabus, which was not opened or not opening by many students because of the heavy traffic of the website that time. And we showed you here in the smartboard, we shared also, but now it is readily available. So guys, first of all, on the behalf of all the students, let me thank the Master Blaster Dheeraj sir about all such updates that he is going to give to students from last many days. So now, usually I call Dheeraj sir as the YouTube king or technical king, the technical guru. Over to sir.
Sir, thank you for this wonderful introduction. And I'm really happy that students have given that wonderful response to those videos. And guys, we are always trying to help you so that whenever you are going to prepare, whatever the things you are looking for, we are always there for you guys. Okay. So it is the team effort which Abhinav sir, me and other team members are together doing. So every thankful or whatever it is, all credits goes to the team. So guys, today we are also having some wonderful updates like sir have told you. So we would be telling you some things which are there in the notification and also some things which are not there in the notification, but you are looking for. Okay. So everything we are going to have. Like, first of all, we are talking about the exam syllabus change, new topic edit that we have already told you. Branch-wise syllabus we have already shown you. At the mid of this session also, we will once again show you the syllabus of mechanical, civil, electrical one by one separately. Okay. And guys, before we go to that, we are coming to the main changes which are happening today. So that is about this. You know that what is the selection process? You were having the idea about the selection process that first of all, you are going to have the computer-based test. After that, there is a group task. After that, there is personal interview. And after that, the medical exam would be there. Okay. So this is today have given by the HPCL officials that if you are going to appear for the CBT, here also they have given some minimum cutoff which you need to qualify. And after that only you will be going to the next step. In the group task also, you have a minimum qualifying marks, after which you will be going for the personal interview. And guys, once you are going to be selected after personal interview, then also medical would be there. And after medical, only the things would be finalized, whether your selection is going to be there or not. So every step is going to be important. So we will be showing you now the individual qualifying marks for CBT, group task, personal interview, and medical exam. And guys, also we will be telling you now about the negative marking. If you see this, so previously also till last year, this was the pattern. 85 questions are coming from technical part, 85 questions are coming from the aptitude part. And guys, total 170 number of questions. And for this 170 number of questions, you are going to get a time of 2.5 hours. You are going to get a time of 2.5 hours, which is nothing but 150 minutes. So in 150 minutes, 170 question you are going to do. So obviously the level of exam is not going to be very, very difficult. It is going to be easy only. And also previous year's paper are available in the domain. If you don't have, I will be sharing on my Telegram channel, Abhinav sir's Telegram channel. And also on this channel, we have taken the complete solution of HPCL paper. Those videos also you can watch. Branch-wise are available. Okay. So guys, if you see the marking, this is something new which was not there before. So guys, you can see +1 mark will be for correct answer. -0.25 is for negative mark. Is it going for the wrong answer? So when negative marking is there, what is going to be the effect of that? My dear, effect is going to be in such a way that this time the cutoff we can expect will be going slightly down, because last year's when negative markings were not there, obviously at that time cutoff was on the higher side, 130 plus, like that kind of cutoff we have seen. So now we can expect the cutoff would be going to be on the lesser side. Yes, Abhinav sir, let us call Abhinav sir also to say something about that.
Okay, yes, sir. As sir has told you about the questions and marks, first of all, yes, it is in 150 minutes, that is 2.5 hours. Okay, apart from GATE, guys, no other technical exam, including engineering services, is giving a lot of time. Okay, only GATE is giving for one question 3 minutes, 65 question, 180 minutes. All other questions, all other exams, including engineering services, the ratio is 1:1. Here, the ratio is even worse. In 150 minutes, you have to do 170 questions. Okay, that itself, it is suggesting that the questions will be much, much lesser than the GATE level. Out of 170 questions, guys, 100 or 110 questions will be like this. You have read the question, tick mark. You have read the question, either you will be, you are knowing you are going to put a tick mark, otherwise you will not be attempting it. Now, negative marking is minus 0.25. This time, the negative marking is there. Earlier, the negative marking was not there. So the cutoff may vary by 30 to 25 to 35 marks. Simple logic, simple probability, simple mathematics. If 170 questions are there, every question is of 1 marks, guys. Every question is of plus 1 mark. So 170 question, 1 marks. All questions of technical, 1 marks. All questions of aptitude, 1 marks. So if suppose a 3rd class student comes, 4th class, 5th class, 6th class student comes, even he does not know anything now. So the chances that he will be putting it correct is 25% now. So out of 170, if we divide that, out of every 4 question, he will be putting 1 right by a blind guess also, because 4 options probability is 25%. So guys, from here now, almost 4 4 16, 110, 42 to 43 questions. 42 to 40 question, 42 questions you will be getting correct. So 42 number to वैसे ही मिल जाएंगे यार किसी को भी. So 25 to 30 marks cutoff will going to change. And guys, technical is the syllabus that we will be showing you again today on the this session only. And aptitude is not only maths and quant. Out of 170 questions, which has to be done in 170 minutes, plus 1 and minus 0.25. This minus 0.25 was not earlier there. 85 questions technical. Out of remaining 85 na, generally 34 questions of reasoning, 34 questions of numeric aptitude, and 17 questions of English. Because they have given the aptitude syllabus is English also. English language, quantitative test, intellectual data interpretation, and intellectual potential test also. So of that 85 also, 17 questions can be expected from the English also. Now about the individual stages cutoff. These are the various stages the sir has told. First is the computer-based test. Out of this, some students will only be going to group task, then the personal interview. Now the individual cutoff, sir will be going to tell you. Yes, sir.
Yes. So guys, when we are talking about the individual qualifying marks, first of all, these are qualifying marks and it does not guarantee your selection. This is the minimum marks you have to score. After that, based on the total score, the selection will be there. So when we are talking about this overall CBT aptitude plus technical, out of 170 marks, 60 marks for general, 60 marks for general, and 54% for SC, ST, OBC is going to be there. Okay. So my dear, the point is, if you are talking about 170 into 0.6, that is the qualifying marks you have to score. This is not cutoff. Okay, this is going to be the qualifying marks. Minimum you have to score like that. You may be thinking, sir, if all the students are getting less marks, then what will be happening? I am telling you, it have been seen in the PSU exam, like IREL, if you are aware of. There, for one post, none of the students have crossed the qualifying marks, so they have not taken the candidate. So the point is, this qualifying marks criteria is very strict. You need to cross this. Only after that you are going to get selection. When we are talking about the technical part of that, is there any sectional cutoff? Because there are technical plus aptitude part is there. So my dear, for technical part, separate cutoff is there, that is 50%. So it means overall 60%, technical 50%. Means if you are scoring more marks in the aptitude and less marks in the technical, it's fine. But minimum 50% you must have in the technical. Means out of 85, minimum 42.5 marks are required. So my dear, based on that, like some new syllabus is added in the mechanical, electrical, civil, whatever the branch of you are. If you find that part is not suitable to you, then you can give more concentration on the aptitude part and you can go for the selective studies, like you go for the GATE syllabus completely and selective topics only from the newly added portions. Because if you will be going for the selective portion of the newly added portion, then my dear, it will take less time for you and you can equally well score in the aptitude part by giving more time there. You know, every Saturday we are having aptitude sessions on this channel, which is also going on for HPCL. Okay, so that also will be helpful to you. For GATE also mathematics classes are going on. So Abhinav sir, please join us. So after that, sir will be telling you about group task and also the interview part cutoffs. Okay, so sir is there with us.
So guys, as computer-based test, 60% should be your marks. Okay, overall, technical plus aptitude, and 54% for SC, ST, OBC, and PWD. Okay. Now, as sir has told, this will not guarantee. This is just qualifying. कि इतना तो आना चाहिए. इसके ऊपर, those students who are above this, then those students, on the basis of merit, few students will be going to the group task. Now, one thing is not here, that is here, guys, that overall is 60% and 54% out of 170 marks. Out of 170 marks, it is 60% and 54% for different categories. But technical paper, that 85 questions, that 85, yes, out of 85 questions, 50% is the cutoff for all categories, SC, ST, General, EWS, everyone. So for technical paper, out of 85 questions, you should be scoring more than half. That means 85 half, 43. So 43 you should be 43 marks should be there out of 85, including negative marking overall net marks. Okay, plus and minus karne ke baad. For group task, guys, 40% for general and 33.3 for others. And for interview, it is 40 and 33, again the same ratio. And the final marks will be based on the minimum qualifying marks is this. And अब इसके बाद जिसके जितने ज्यादा आते ना, how many students get more marks than this, then on the basis of number of seats, those will be selected. This should be the minimum. Okay. Now, guys, let me come to the syllabus also for civil. For mechanical, sir will be showing you the syllabus. Let me quickly show, because this we have shared in our Telegram group also. Okay, I hope you have seen the Telegram group where we have shown this syllabus. Let me show you the syllabus of civil engineering again. Okay, there is a huge change in syllabus for mechanical, but for civil, it is not much change in syllabus. This is the syllabus for civil engineering. Let me show you guys. This is the structural part, engineering mechanics. Okay, then structural analysis, it's okay. Construction material, construction management. Okay, concrete structures, steel structures. This repair and जिसने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा, it's better to leave this repair and RCC machinery structure, because this is not in your regular exams like GATE and engineering services. Geotech is done. Geotech syllabus is same. Foundation is same. Fluid mechanics, hydraulics, hydrology syllabus is exactly same as that of GATE. Okay. No. Environment syllabus is same. MSW, it's nowadays coming in environment also. Transportation same. In transportation, railway is also there. Railway airport is not there, na? Railway airport is not in the only highway. Highway. Oh, railway is there. Railway geometry design is there. Airport is not there. Okay. Geomatics, building, architects, and maintenance word, plywood. Of course, if you have not done this, no need to do this. And this innovative type of construction also. Now, let us go to sir for the mechanical. And all civil students, guys, will be telling you about the exam dates and all. And I'll be again seeing you this Sunday for the Geotech Marathon. Over to sir.
Yes, so guys, this is the mechanical syllabus. And don't worry, within 2 minutes, we will see syllabus. Then we will also discuss about the expected date of the exam. So guys, this is applied mechanics and design, means engineering mechanics, same syllabus as that of GATE. SOM, same syllabus as that of GATE. TOM, same syllabus as that of GATE. Same for vibration, same for machine design. Same for fluid mechanics, heat transfer. Thermodynamics syllabus is also same as that of GATE only. You need not to go for the ESC syllabus, okay, which is extra syllabus. In the production part also, you can see the material science, the same as that of GATE. Casting, forming, joining, same as that of GATE. So entire production syllabus is same as that of GATE. Up to this, everything is related to GATE. This is the part which every student must do. I can guarantee you this, if you are going to do up to this part, out of 85, you will get minimum 60 marks part from this. and you need to score 42.5 to qualify that. Okay, I'm not saying leave other things. I'm saying this is the minimum 60 to 70 marks. 60 I'm saying on the lesser side, maybe on the 70 or more than 70 you will get up to this part. Then you can see the other parts are like design, drawing, importance of safety, standard, SQP, basics of energy environment, project management, material science, ICT, then ethics. These 8 subjects are related to ESC paper 1 syllabus. If you have not done anything from that, I will suggest you should go only for the basics of material science, project management. These 2 subjects are somewhere linked with your technical subjects. Okay, so these 2 you can go for. Others, my dear, if you see SQP, some part you can go as it is similar to the industrial part. Okay, then my dear, when we are talking about the other syllabus, basics of electrical, this is simply out of box, because here the things are there from what you study in the 12th class and first year of BTech. What is that? That is DC circuit, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law. So here some selective topic you can do, like if you do the 12th class chapter 4, one is current electricity, other is AC, alternating current. Then you can say up to this efficiency part you would be able to cover in that chapter. Okay, so that is also again require very good hard work. Okay, then my dear COA, this is completely computer science subject. Okay, then my dear you can see basics of civil engineering, completely related to civil. Okay, then my dear you are having this construction practice, planning and project management. This is the same what you study in ESC paper 1. I don't know how they have set this syllabus. They have written the same topic again and again. Like project management is here also in paper 1 part also. Okay, and then also you will see the same renewable source of energy is also from engineering services technical syllabus. It is same as that of. So if you are preparing for ESC, then 95% of this syllabus you are already covering. If you are preparing for GATE, then 80 to 85% of the syllabus you are covering. Okay, so that is the difference. Rest part, go for the selective topic. It is not a good idea to go for the complete one. I have the syllabus for electrical also. I will be sharing this on to the Telegram channel. You can see electrical machine, power system, power electronics, then electromagnetic theory. There is no much change of the syllabus. If you see, they have mentioned one very interesting fact in complete notification. What is that interesting fact? They have said that this syllabus is of indicative nature. Otherwise, we are expecting the candidate should have good knowledge of his branch. So don't feel they are going to stick to some topic particularly. They can ask you generally from your branch. Okay, so we will be telling you now what are the various sources to prepare. And also, before we go into that, I would like to tell you the students who have filled the form for BARC technical officer. Only 20 days are left because exam is there on 21st of November. So that is why, guys, we are coming up live for a session tomorrow. Me, Abhinav sir and Richa ma'am. That is going to be a 20-day strategy session. There we will also tell you about some important facts and figure about that exam. And also, guys, after that in the next week, we are going to start the practice sessions for BARC exam. Because I know you don't have the syllabus. So tomorrow we will see what is expected syllabus for that. Okay, so sir.
Okay, so guys, as you know, that in 150 minutes, you have to solve 170 questions in HPCL. That means all the questions will be, or not all, but 70 to 80% questions will be one-liner. Even the aptitude questions that will be of 85 marks, DA and Quant, that will also not be taking as much as time of GATE. Okay, within 30 to 40 seconds, you can solve them. And many of the technical questions will be such like you are seeing the answer when the shear force is 0, what is the bending moment? Option A, maxima, minima. Option B cannot be determined. Option C, 2 kilonewton units or whatever. Okay, such things will be asked. So in that case, guys, your source of practice is PYQ of HPCL or mock test of HPCL that we have done here, PYQ of ESC, ISRO and DRDO, and PYQ of GATE, but 1 marks only. Even let me tell you guys, I'm 100% sure, telling this with 100% guarantee that the questions of HPCL will be lesser level, will be easier level than 1 marks of GATE also. उसका GATE के 1 marks से भी less level होगा. ओके वो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो आप अगर आपके पास ये सारी चीजें नहीं है और यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस, यू वांट मोर सोर्स, देन गाइस स्टेट पीएससी, स्टेट पीएससी का जो आपके पास क्वेश्चंस होंगे आप वो कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जहां से आप इनके एग्जाम की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। बट व्हाट आई बिलीव ना, rather than going deep into the syllabus in such type of exams in engineering service prelims, in HPCL, in BARC, this is about how vast you are covering the syllabus. Because most of the, as they will not be asking all questions conceptual, because that will take time. That is why most of the times they are asking database questions. And for finding that data, they are going to the vastness of the syllabus. Because if they want to go deep, then they will concise on the concepts only and they will go deep inside that. But since they have to cover variety of questions which includes data also, so they have to go for the vastness of the syllabus. For engineering service prelims, HPCL, PYQ, DRDO, gate 1 marker and state public service commission, these questions can be practiced for the HPCL exam. Now sir, many students are focused or curious about the dates. See, HPCL has not announced the dates of 2023. So, of course, me and Dheeraj are also not Rajnikant. When HPCL has not announced, then how we can announce? But yes, on the basis of last year what happened? The exam was on 1st and 4th November. Okay, on this time only. And admit card was released on 21st October and application was end on 21st July. So, we can say that whenever the admit card is going to happen, now everything is done. They have decided the pattern. They have decided the syllabus. Syllabus they have updated. Pattern they have updated. Now only one thing is left, that is release of admit card. All other things is set up. So within next 20 to 25 days, we are expecting that admit card will be come after Diwali. And then in the first or second or third week of December, we are expecting a test. Okay, that may happen 5 days before, that may happen 20 days later, or maybe in the month of January. But if you want to say, sir, your guess or your prediction based on last so many years you are teaching, so I guess only around 15 to 20 December, there it may be an exam. Dheeraj sir, your guess might be different or same?
Yes, sir. I feel ki within December month, the exam should be there. The reason is like last few days back, they have given the new syllabus. Today, they have given this. So I feel within 15-20 minutes, 15-20 days, they would be announcing the exam date as well. So because slowly the things are going to be there. So obviously, I feel ki soon they will declare the exam date. It should be within December or at the max January. Not more than that delay can happen. So you can expect the exam date between, you can say December and January at the max. So don't leave your preparation, continue with this. Okay, because now you are having a multiple exams, you can say in the past, like BARC is there in November. Then in December, BEL is already announced. HPCL would be there in December or January, and near to gate ISRO will be coming. So guys, likewise, you can see the exams are there in a row. So don't leave the preparation. Who knows when you will be selected in between and you would be getting whatever you are looking for. So that's why this is not the time to leave. This is the time to make more stronger to you. Okay, so don't wait when exam date will come. Be prepared. Early preparation will always help you. Okay, so now this is not the time to wait for the exam date.
And guys, in between all this, two very important instructions for you, and you should follow this very strictly. First information, if you are a dropper student and you have applied for GATE 2024 and HPCL both, okay, then in that case, guys, you should be focusing on, suppose your priority is GATE 2024, you should be focusing on that exam only, because HPCL will guarantee your selection in HPCL. But GATE is such an exam which open many GATE after that GATE. If you crack one GATE exam, there are numerous GATEs which will be opened of MTech, of PSUs, of other jobs, of BARC and various other opportunities after GATE. So if you are focusing mainly on GATE, or in between many exams will be coming, guys, then they should be only a subset, or in the path they should be just you can say a mini goal. Your final goal should be GATE for those students who are focusing on GATE 2024. ऐसा नहीं कि दिसंबर में होगा या जनवरी में होगा तो पहले इसको फोड़ लेते हैं, फिर जनवरी के बाद ढंग से गेट पढ़ने लगेंगे. तो आपका मेन फोकस वही होना चाहिए. फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर फोकसिंग on GATE, and this should be just a mini goal which subsequently in between the journey they give, and not taking lot of effort of this also कि GATE छूट जाए, क्योंकि GATE आपके लिए बहुत सारी opportunity खोलेगा. Second, guys, those students who just started their preparation 3 months back or 4 months back, strong recommendation, strong instruction for you. that your first cycle of preparation should be complete. Then first cycle of preparation means when you are studying first time in life for the completion exam, for the exams after your BTech. That will take around 8 to 9 months. Okay, so 8 to 9 months should be complete. In between, you are giving any exam just for seeing the pattern and difficulty level, not a wish of cracking that. After 8 to 9 months now, whatever exam is coming in your way, hit them hard. What students do, they start preparation. After 2 months, there is exam. They shift all their preparation for that exam. Then after 1 month, one more exam. Then they shift all their preparation according or strategy according to that exam. In that way, the whole syllabus will never be completed in a concrete manner. So if you just started preparation 4 months, 5 months back, your first cycle should be complete. In between, there are main ऐसे एग्जाम के पढ़ जाओगे तो कभी भी सिलेबस ढंग से कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. These kind of exams for those students who have already completed their syllabus and they are now in the mode of test me यार, exam आजा, test me. वो एक एक को फोड़ेंगे. Otherwise, you are a beginner, then first cycle should be complete. Dheeraj sir?
Sir, I would like to add one point here. Like sir was saying, I would like to add here one point, like this exam, technical exam, whether we are talking about GATE, HPCL or whatever these exams are. So guys, they are not like UPSC or SSC JEE where we are going to be having current affair. Like this year, government is doing something, Modi is doing something. You need to remember next year things are going to change in the current affair. Technical things remain same. So in that technical, there is a simple rule that once you cover, or you can say once you pass a threshold, after that you will be qualifying all the exams. And once that threshold is not crossed, you will not be able to crack any of the exam. That's why you find there are some students who qualified GATE with good rank, HPCL, HAL, they have multiple opportunities. And there are some, they do not qualify any. So then they feel ki this is injustice. It is not injustice. Once you qualify that level, that threshold level, once you cross that, then you will qualify every technical exam, because stress remains stress, whether it is HPCL exam or GATE exam or ESC exam or any exam. Okay, so that is the very important one.
देखो सर इतना खुश क्यों रहते हैं, सर का स्ट्रेस कम है. मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसा, मेरे शकल ऐसा क्यों लगता है एकदम बेकार सा दुखी, क्यों? मेरा स्ट्रेस ज्यादा है, मेरा क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया कम है तो स्ट्रेस ज्यादा है.
सर मेरा पहले क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया में बहुत ज्यादा था, मैं अब कम करता जा रहा हूँ.
पर अभी भी मतलब शायद सामने में बराबर होगा, पर कैमरे में जो लगता है वो आपका ऐसा लगता है तो सर अभी कम है,
ज्यादा ही है. यस ओके सर, कुछ मैंने सर्दी के हिसाब से कपड़े भी पहन रखे ना.
नहीं तो आप एकदम जीरो पे हैं. Okay, so guys, this is about any more doubts you can ask in the comment section. This session is tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. and guys, this is just about the expected syllabus, because we are expecting that bar technical officer is supposed to give a mock test that Dheeraj sir has told us, and you also, but they have not uploading it till now. So we decided that we are coming with the expected syllabus, and then we are starting our technical sessions. Yes, in between, any time when BARC will be updating its official mock test, then accordingly we'll be updating you, and we'll be taking sessions up to that pattern only. But till then, from our sources, some of my students, that Saurabh Gaur, who has given the interview in this YouTube channel also, who was the BARC scientist, from that and some other sources also, we got some information. Dheeraj sir has also some professors there. So we got some information. So according to that, we are telling you the guidance and the expected syllabus, and we'll start taking the technical sessions from next week. But whenever the BARC Tech will upload its official mock test, we'll update you. This is Dheeraj sir.
This session, guys, today I have taken, this is BEL PE mock test. Actually, many students were requesting, sir, when you will start BEL PE session. So this I have kept to tell you that I have already started taking these sessions. So every week, 1 to 2 session on BEL PE, you will see. Today also I have taken, you can attempt that mini mock test. And guys, every week you will get 1 to 2 sessions, and we will cover all the subjects. And mock test will also be coming near to the exam with the exam pattern with complete mechanical team you will see here. Okay, so don't leave the preparation in between. And this is the mathematics session, which would be at 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. on Sunday. And this time we are going to have linear algebra part 3. This image is of part 2 because part 3 is not live yet. So that will be part 3, and there we will try to cover the topic of rank of a matrix. And after that, we will see the system of linear equation. We will try ki before Deepavali we complete this matrix chapter, and after Deepavali we'll go to differential equation or calculus chapter. Okay, guys.
this is
So
the app free SOM free crash course. Okay, SOM free crash course. This is going on app, and huge response is given by the students today also. This is daily at 4 p.m. Okay, 2 classes are already done. Now this will be tomorrow. Daily 4 p.m. on app. This series is going on. Huge response, and one student will, on the basis of cumulative score, will be awarded as winner. That time yesterday was mechanical was winner. Today civil and mechanical SKS and Vipul both got the same points. Let us see the winner, and on the basis of combined score, I'll be giving a gift hamper to one of the students. Daily 4 p.m. complete all chapters: sensitivity, bending, cells, transformation, torsion, pressure, vessel, deflection, all chapters crash course. This is a mega mock challenge, guys, for civil and mechanical both. You can give the mega mock challenge on any date from 28th of October to 3rd November. Anytime. The paper will be there for civil and mechanical. There will be different papers, and the winners will be awarded on the 4th November. Now, guys, this is the soil mechanics marathon. This will be Sunday. Okay, this will be Sunday, guys, and this will be 10 a.m. And this will not be marathon only on the base of questions, concepts plus question both. Concepts plus questions both will be done. Okay, 10 a.m. the mega event. I hope you all will be coming. Okay, so मैराथन दिस संडे. ठीक है, मैच दिन में इंडिया और किसका है सर? साउथ अफ्रीका. इंडिया और
yes,
साउथ अफ्रीका. दिस विल
sir,
बी
I feel
दैट
हमने क्लासेस हमने मैच के इर्द गिर्द ही रखी हुई है कि आपकी मैच के पहले मेरी क्लास मैच के बाद ताकि मैच भी देख पाए आप लोग.
Okay, this is the Telegram group of Dheeraj sir, mechanical by Dheeraj sir, this civil by Abhinav sir. And guys, so we are starting the hand-picked questions for PYQ. What happened, guys? You are only doing the PYQs of last 15 years, 10 years. We have taken a series of last 5 years. Okay, but no one is focusing on the PYQs of 90s and early 2000. I'm not saying that all questions are relevant, but 70 to 80% questions are relevant. So from that relevant, what are the most important that handpicked questions we are starting? Because every time you're doing the PYQs of last 5 years, but yes, from 90s and 2000s also, early 90s and 2000, there are some questions that are very, very important that we are taking in this series for civil and mechanical both.
So now, I would like to say, guys, old is gold here.
Yes. So scholarship test is on 5th November. You can give this test and get a 90% discount. And Joshi sir is taking a roadmap to secure All India Rank 100 in GATE 2025. This will be on 8th November at 7:30 p.m. on app. Please don't miss this. Okay, Mega Mock Challenge is already we have told, and these are our vision courses for civil and mechanical. Okay. Okay, guys, sir, anything you want to say?
Fine, sir. So, guys, we will be meeting tomorrow 8:30 p.m. and Sunday 10:30 p.m.
Sunday 10 a.m.
नहीं सर, मैं तो 10:30 p.m. पे आऊंगा.
अच्छा, सर का मैच 10:30 है, so I'll 10 a.m. पे. Okay, thank you, dear students.